Hey folks, Adam here, and you know what? The power's out again. It's hurricane season here in Florida, and whenever there's a hurricane in town, they shut down the power grid to make sure there's no issues. But fortunately, we're using this guy right here as a powerful UPS. It turns on in 0.01 seconds to make sure I don't lose any files on my computer, and I can still do my work. So that means running my lights, that means running my computer, my peripherals, my extra monitor, my LEDs, and even my TV are all running off of this fantastic device. Thanks, because we prepared. And that's what I'm going to ask you to do, is prepare in advance and go ahead and pick one up. So we're going to tell you all about it. Now, one of the great things about this, it has a powerful LED light that you can use for camping. This is perfect for outdoor use. This is perfect for all seasons. This is perfect for your RV, in the house, and outdoors. Now, in our history, we've become one of the, if not the lead when it comes to power stations. I've traveled to China twice to see factories where they're made. We've reviewed practically every brand on the planet, and we have the most popular videos around when it comes to power stations. And I gotta tell you, I absolutely love the durability, the Life PO4 aspect to this, and how many charges this can take. This can literally take thousands and thousands and thousands of charges without deteriorating the battery, because it's that latest technology with Life PO4. Now you've got 3 big AC outlets. You've got this for your RV, you've got the LED light, you've got dual USB-C, dual USB-A, and the DC, and you know what? This will charge with solar panels. This will charge with your car, and this will charge really quickly, like I'm talking an hour and a half, if you just plug it into the wall when you got power. So there's so much that this thing can do. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna show it in some other environments, and we're gonna kick it off right about now. Now, one of the things that I like so much here is that we can run our outdoor TV with this. Yeah, so even if we're watching the Super Bowl, we got a big game, we can go ahead and turn on our favorite sites, and we can go ahead and stream them automatically. So that's super cool. But on top of that, we can use this to run our power tools. So hopefully Watson will show some overlays of us using our recent power tools. That could be our pressure washer out there, out and about, and we can pressure wash anywhere because we don't have to worry about a supply of electricity, even out on the deck or the dock, wherever we are. This comes in very handy for us. And of course, if you're working at night, this LED light comes in super handy. It's got that flash mode, it's got the SOS mode, and a variety of brightnesses, but this is going to run for hours and hours, and we don't have to worry about it. So super cool there. And folks, I know it seems funny, but we got a hot tub out here. And when there's a hurricane like this, we still need to run those jets every day to keep them from getting congested and dirty and keep the water nice and clean. You gotta constantly be cycling the water. So the fact that we can get power outdoors where we need it, when we need it, on demand is fantastic. I can run this for about 5 minutes, get the water cycled, get it through the filters, make sure it's not getting stagnant and gross, and that's all thanks to our power station, and the fact that it supports up to 2400 watts means we can do even a big job like this. And for you workers out there, you guys with workshops, even if the power's out, you can go ahead and get power just about anywhere. That's very important. And the fact that you're able to recharge your tools on the job site is really, really important. So just being able to charge those batteries when you're out and about, because let's face it, sometimes you're running your electric drill, your cordless screwdriver, whatever it may be, those batteries need to be charged pretty frequently, and that's what this is perfect for. You keep this in the work truck, you take it out when you need it, you put it back in, you let it charge in the truck, you're good to go without a word to say. All right, folks, so I've told you about a lot of the merits of this, but there's also a fantastic app that lets you monitor the charge, see how it's doing, a lot of important things from a distance. So for example, say you're running a well and you need a lot of power. You can run that well, you can keep the water flowing, and you can check on it from a distance. This can become invaluable in many situations. For guys like farmers, construction workers, this is an absolute must-have for you manly men out there. So we're going to show you the up-close portion of the video to give you even more about this fantastic product. But if you're looking for a great product that is built to last, that will power your workshop, your hot tub, your drills, and even your recording studio, this is a great device for you, and it's a perfect device for me. Go check it out. You won't be disappointed. A great brand, I gotta tell you that. When you trust good brands, it pays off dividends, and this is a fantastic brand with some of the most impressive engineers and employees in all the land. I love what they're doing here, and I think you will too. All right, stick around for the up close portion of the video, but if your question is should you pick it up, give this a resounding heck yes. All right, folks, at the end of the video, we like to give you a little up close. This gives you an opportunity to go ahead and pick the item up and put it in your cart. You can see we have a portable power station. This is 2,400 watts or 2,048 watt hours by a great company. And yeah, this is going to make a world of difference in your world. Now it will do 12 volt or 24 volt car charging. So you can charge this with your car's DC port. That's going to be very important. Should the power go out, you can go ahead and recharge it in the car, maybe when you're driving around and whatnot. You've got 3 big AC outlets, 120 volts with 2,400 watt maximum. And you've got this right here, recreational vehicle use only. This is going to power everything you need in the RV. Over on this side, you have the powered 100 watt, the powered 27 watt USB-C, and 2 USB-As. Now over on the side, they've just done a great job. I'm gonna pull this around here so you can see it with me. See it with me here, folks. You've got everything you need to get this thing charged up, the battery extension, so you can run a series of these. You have where you can run your solar panels, your fuse, everything you need to make sure that you are getting the best performance out of this fantastic battery. They've done a great job here, and it vents very quietly, zoom out, on the side as well. And I love this part, very underrated. The built-in handles, because some of these have very lightweight handles that will break off in time, but they've gone ahead and built the handles into the frame of the device, which is going to be very important for you and even more important for me. So folks, if you're looking for a great design, these guys have you covered. We're talking long-lasting life PO4. You want that life PO4 because it lasts for thousands and thousands of recharges, okay? That's unlike the competition. You've got 0.01 second auto switch for a UPS. That means your stuff's gonna keep running. Of course, you got the LED light in various brightness that you're gonna be able to run for hours, and a very crystal clear LED screen, okay, that shows you the watts, in and out, the percentage used, and we've got 99 hours left. That's really cool. 3 intelligent charging modes, including a fast charge that will charge in less than an hour and a half, and the app function and software that is second to none. They've done a great job here, folks. So, whether that's running your pressure cooker, your coffee maker, your barbecue grill, your refrigerator, your microwave, or your electric drill, your washer, your hair dryer, or your TV, this is a great product that's going to be perfect for RVs and vans, outdoor camping, a home backup, or all of your electric tools. So folks, when I say act today, I absolutely mean it, because you're not going to get a product this powerful that lasts this long with this type of performance at this price for very long. Folks, you know I love and appreciate you. But before that next emergency, before that hurricane, before that power outage, it's time to go pick one up. You won't be disappointed. You know I love and appreciate you, but it's time to get to shopping. Go pick one up, and goodbye, my friends.